Hello everyone, welcome back to our next session in Core Python playlist. So as of now, we have seen a few of the basics concept of Python. Now, before we move on to like conditional statement and loops, I would like to tell you one more concept, one more tool that we can use to run our Python code. As of now, we have used Jupyter, but Google has given us one more tool that we can use to run our Python code online. So if you don't want to have your Anaconda or Python installed into your laptop, you can directly run it into your Colab. So what you need to do is go to your Gmail account and into it, go to your drive. All right. So into your drive, what you have to do is create a new folder. Okay, I have created a folder from here. Simply you can create a folder, right? Create new folder and rename it to Core Python. What I want you to do is create all the folders of different data science subjects that you are learning, and put up all the things, all the IPYNB files and other files as well into this, so that whenever you require to refer them, you will be able to refer them. It will be there with you into your drive. So now if you see, we are into Core Python folder. Now again, click on new and go to more, and you should be able to see Google Collaboratory, right? So if you're not able to see this Google Colab, go to connect more apps, and here in search apps, just type Colab. So it will be giving you Collaboratory, and the first link that you see here on the left hand side, it's thumbnail Collaboratory. Click on this, and here you should be able to get install option. Just install it. Once it get installed, you have to come back, just close that window and just come back, and into more, you should be able to see Google Colab. So click on this. Once you click on this, you will see one window which is similar to Jupyter Notebook. So can you see this? It seems to be much similar to your Jupyter Notebook, but yeah, of course there are changes. There are some differences. The first difference is your Jupyter Notebook runs on your browser offline. So it is using your computer resources to run, and it runs offline, of course. But here Google Colab is of Google, and it runs on the Google server. And second thing is, it requires internet, as it will be running the program on Google server. All right. So the best thing about Google Colab is, what you can do is, you will be in a position to save all your file, and you will be able to see these files whenever you require. And the second good thing for us is, you can see here IPYNB file is being created once you create the file into Google Colab. So what we can do is, whatever file you have that you have created as of now. So like for example, you have some Google Colab file. Let me just go and check where we have that. All right. So for example, if I have one IPYNB file, like for example, the sprint function that we have done, right? So we can simply drag and drop into our drive, and you will be able to see this print function here. And if you open this, this will open into Colab. All right. So whatever you have done into Jupyter Notebook can be open into IPYNB file once you put that into your drive. And the good thing is, whatever you have done into Google Colab, that you can simply download it, and you can simply run it into your Jupyter. So that's a good thing for you. And what you can do is, you should rename it to, like for example, I'm renaming it to demo. So you can see, of course, the extension will be .ipynb file. Extension will be exactly same. And let me just show you how it works. Like for example, I'm just going with print statement, print, and I'm saying okay, print type. So can you see this here? You can simply run from there. Just click on this run, and you can see here also you have run all. If you have multiple cells, you can run all, and it will start from the first one. All right. So you can see here it is getting connected to your Google server, and it's running the program. All right. So this thing is getting printed. So whatever we have done, we can have multiple. So after doing this, like for example, you want to go to the next line. So just press shift enter, and it'll be taking you to the next line after printing the output of this. So like for example, if I'm writing a equals to 5, the thing that we have done, and press shift enter, a equals to 5, and you can simply check what is the value of a. It should show you 5, and if you just check out the type of a, it should show you the int, right? So can you see this? So this is how you can simply run code, write your code into uh, you know uh, Colab and run it. The best thing about, again I'm repeating, the best thing about this Google Colab is you don't have to worry about getting the Anaconda installed, or anything else installed into your computer. So you can just directly get it from your Gmail account. So that's it for this session. In this next session, we'll be seeing some operators in Python and other concepts. That's it for the session. Thank you.